Greetings from my side to you all. I'm your coach Intiri over here, who is going to take you through a series of tutorials to guide you to create a simple blog and customize it. So the first thing you want to do is to launch your web browser. It can be either Google Chrome, Brave browser, any web browser of your choice at all. And then on the home page, you see the 9 dots at the top right corner over here. You go ahead and tap on it and then scroll through till you see Blogger right here, and then you click on it. Please do well to create a Gmail account and log in so you can do this. And afterwards, you just go ahead and then create a blog. This is how it's going to look if you want to actually create a blog. So you have to give a blog a title. So let's just say that we can just use Coach Interiors, or just Coach Institute, and then you tap on next, and then you enter your address. Your address should be unique, so you just have to be creative and then just bring out some applicable address. So let's just say that Coach Institute. This blog address is available, so I'll just go ahead and then tap on save. Okay, so it says blog created. Now you go ahead and tap on theme right here. So there are a couple of themes that you can actually use, but I'm not so interested in these themes, so I'll just go ahead and then search for Blogger Templates 2023 free download, and then you go ahead and tap on it. There are actually cool ones over here. These themes look really appealing, so I chose this one via micro mag over here. So what you want to do is just go ahead and then download it. I've already downloaded, so I don't really need to download it again. Just go ahead and then download it. It's actually a zip file, so after downloading it, you should go and then unzip it over here. As you can see, zip archive. So you go ahead and then extract it before you can be able to use. So extract all. So you go through and then you see the file name with the extension XML. That's the one we're going to use over here. We're going to use this file. So having done that, you just go back to Blogger, and then over here you tap on this arrow and then tap on restore, and then you tap on upload, and then you search for the file that you just downloaded right here, .xml. Don't forget, just tap on it and then you upload. So you give it some time. It says restoring theme over here. Okay, theme has been restored. So now the next thing you want to do is to go to layout. So here is where you can literally edit anything on the blog page. There are so many things that you can do over here. Before we even do anything, let's just go ahead and then view our blog to see how it looks like, so that we can see the editing and then all the formatting that we have to do. So this is our blog over here. It's actually empty because of course we've not posted anything yet. So now let's see what we can do. These social plugins, there are lots, and maybe you would want to get rid of all of it or even some of it. I know maybe you might think that okay, you don't have LinkedIn accounts or how do you call it, Reddit or any other social media platform. So you just go back and then tap on layouts, And then over here you can choose how it appears. For example, the header, this is my blog title. If I want to change it, I'll just go ahead and then edit it, but I don't want to change it, so just take time and then try to customize it your way. And here there is an image that you can upload. Let me upload my own image. You just go ahead and then upload your own image. Mine is over here. Make sure the size does not exceed 100 kilobytes, else it won't work. It's not going to upload. So yes, my image has been uploaded successfully. You go ahead and tap on save. Now you can tap on link list. If perhaps you don't really need these ones, you can just go ahead and then get rid of them by tapping on delete icon over here. Delete. You can just go ahead and then delete them. And if you think maybe you made a mistake by deleting them, so you would want to undo, you just go ahead and tap on cancel. Also, the social plugin, this is where we wanted to actually get rid of some social media platforms. So let's just say I want to keep only 3 social media platforms, so we go ahead and then get rid of most of them and just keep 3. Yes, so over here you can see this pencil icon. You just tap on edit and you insert your site URL. So I'm actually going to use my YouTube channel specifically created for this tutorial, and then go ahead and paste this right here. You go ahead and then save. If you want to add another site, you just go ahead and tap on add and then you do it. Add new item. So after your editing, you just go ahead and save. You do the same for other social media platforms. And let's see what we have here. About us, you can edit it. You can literally do anything at all. So about us, I'm just going straight to my YouTube channel and then copy this and then bring it here. But you need to do some editing, so just make it as unique as you can. You can choose to put the YouTube or any link that I have over there. So let me just go ahead and put my YouTube link over there. And then you can still get rid of this. If you want to make it look more like a customized one, just get rid of any image that does not really correspond to the blog or what you want to create. So you just give it some time to upload. Alright, you can choose to shrink image to fit, but I don't want to shrink it. I want it to be, its original size. And over here, the footer menu, we have so many things about us, about home. You can go ahead and then just give it some slight editing. Let's just say you want to use the YouTube channel, so that's what you are going to do. Just insert the site link and then tap on save and then save over here again. So we've done a lot right now. Let's go ahead and preview to see what we've done. So what you want to do is tap on this eye icon over here. Okay, so now we see we have only 3 social media platforms: the YouTube, the IG, and then the Facebook. We inserted a YouTube link. Let's go ahead and click and see what happens. Oh, sorry, this is a preview page, so it won't work that way, but you can view it right here. View blog. So when you tap on the YouTube icon, it leads you straight to the channel. Yes, over here. So that's what happens. You just go ahead and then insert the links to the corresponding social media platforms, and that is what's going to happen. Or just lead you to wherever the link leads to. And now we have to come. You can also come here to the main post, choose the number of posts that you want to show on the main page, and you can also choose whether you want to allow the share buttons over here or not. And then show location, you can just hide it. Show author profile, you can hide it. We want to keep this email confidential, so of course you're going to turn that one off. And then after your editing, just go ahead and then save it. So now the next thing that we want to do is to create a page. You haven't created anything yet, so you go ahead and tap on new page. Over here it says enter your title. So today I would like to write something short about an iconic hero known as the Flash. It's a comic character and also a superhero in the DC universe. So our title is going to be about the origin story of the Flash. That's the title. And now, there is AI these days, so you wouldn't have to really spend time to create a script. You just go ahead to simplify it. It's an AI, and we are going to use it to generate our script. You could equally use ChatGPT. So let's just tell it what to do. Let's wait for it while it generates our script. Alright, so we just go ahead and then copy it. Head back to our post. Let's give our post a title. So alright. So we go ahead and then paste it over here. As you can see, this is not what we actually wanted. We don't want this formatting, so we go ahead and then select all by using the shortcut keys Ctrl A. Then you head to this icon right and tap on clear formatting. Then here you go, everything is back to neat and normal. So this is the header. I want to format it, yes, and make it stand out. And then the body, you can choose the font style over here. Yes, you could just choose this. And now we are going to do three things. First thing is actually inserting a link. So let's make it look more appealing by creating some paragraphs here. Alright, so now let's just say you want to know whom the Flash or Barry Allen is, and normally we go to Wikipedia and we can see that there are some words that have been highlighted that contain hyperlinks. That's exactly what we are going to do today. So we just go ahead and search for the Flash, or better still Barry Allen. Let's just use Barry Allen. It's also the Flash. So you just go ahead is not needed. You just go ahead, tap on this, and then copy link address. Afterwards, just head back and then select Barry Allen, the word or the words that you want to actually insert the link, and then you paste the link here, and then here you can choose what you want. I want this to open in a new window anytime that you click on it, so you apply. So we would like to see what you've done. It's just step by step. So if you inserted the link, let's see how it's going to look like. Okay, nice. Now you can see this over here. It means it contains a hyperlink. That's why the color has changed, and that's good. I think we've made some improvement. Okay, so the next thing we want to learn is how to insert an image or even a video. So there's the same procedure for inserting an image or a video. So you just have to select where you want to pick your video or the image from. Okay, so let's go with this. Alright, so now you can resize it anyhow you want it to be. Like, you can resize it and then choose to align it to the left side like this, or to the right side. I prefer the left side, looks more appealing. Okay, and then you could equally insert another image, maybe alright. So as you can see, it's also here, and we can make it align to the right, something like this. Alright, so let's go ahead and then save it once again, and then preview it. Okay, so as you can see, so right here our images have been inserted, and our script over here with the hyperlink. So now the next thing we want to do is to actually make our blog available on the internet, so that if people want to search, they will actually find you. So you go to the privacy and then make sure you turn it on. Allow search engines to find your blog. Yes. Okay, now let's go to post and then view it. Alright. Okay, so this is our blog, and then let's check out the hyperlink. Yes, so as you can see, it has led us to a new link, and that was Wikipedia. That's how to insert a hyperlink. Okay, so you can do a whole lot with Blogger, from editing the layout to the theme to the pages and posts, and a whole lot. If you have any problem on the blog page that you want to edit, just head to the layout and you do your editing and you'll be fine. So that is it for creating a blog account and then customizing it. Be sure to also practice and then let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.